Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more car tips. This video demonstrates the disassembly process of a cylinder head cover. A suitable workplace and tools in good condition are necessary for the task. The fixing screws of the cylinder head cover are removed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Attention should be paid to the meticulous compliance with the manufacturer's instructions, especially if the cylinder head cover is used for mounting and storage of the camshaft. After removing the cylinder head cover, the gasket should be replaced and the removed components should be sorted, cleaned, and stored for later reuse. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.